Only when you are in God, you become very transparent, so that it's not you, it is God who sees through you. And you are able to see what He sees because you have transcended yourself. You're no longer by yourself. This is the realm of faith. And so, sometimes when we are criticized, we get angry, we defend ourselves, etc. What is the important thing? Like today's reading, actually we read tomorrow's reading, but today's reading tells us you have to look into yourself. God has given you gifts. Now those gifts will become more and more sharp. You'll be able to focus better when people tell you, give you a criticism, but actually you must look at it as a critique. And this is what you can do. If you do this way, it will become better. So you see, our whole interaction here has to be one in Jesus. Otherwise, we are only putting ourselves up and down. That won't help. But what will help is to draw more and more the Godness that is there within us and the gifts He has given us, so that we can give more of those gifts. And when we give more, I have a saying, the more you give, the more you can give. In my reflection, I saw that when you give, God gives you more. But what happens when you have more, then all of a sudden you become self-centered, you don't want to give it. When you have been given more, give more. The more you give, the more you can give. Till you are completely not yourself, only God is giving in you, and that flow of God in us will make us experience heaven on earth.